In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Wix Pro Gallery. By the end, you'll know exactly where the Pro Gallery lives inside the Wix editor, so you can access it quickly whenever you're designing a page. Start by making sure you're in your Wix workspace. That means you've opened the site you want to work on in the Wix editor, with your page canvas in the center and the main toolbar running down the left side. If you're seeing a dashboard with stats and settings, that's the site management view, not the editor. Enter the editor so you're looking directly at your page. You should see the familiar tools on the left, the layers and properties on the right when selected, and the live page in the middle. Being in this workspace is important because all the elements you can add, including the Pro Gallery, live here. Next, click Add. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the plus icon labeled Add. When you click it, a panel will slide out with categories for everything you can place on the page. If you don't see it, you might be in preview. Switch back to the editor to bring the toolbar back. If the panel looks collapsed, hover near the edge or drag it wider so you can clearly read each category. Think of this Add panel as your catalog of building blocks, text, media, buttons, and more, all grouped so they're easy to find. Now, click Image. Inside the Add panel, choose the image category. This is where Wix groups image-related elements, and it's also where the Wix Pro Gallery lives. When you open Image, you'll see options for single images, your media library, and the Wix Pro Gallery entry. You don't need to open a separate app store or dig through hidden menus. The Pro Gallery is right here under Image. This is the spot you'll return to anytime you want to access it. From this view, you can explore what the Pro Gallery offers, like modern layouts and high-quality display controls, once you decide to use it on your page. And that's it. Be in your Wix workspace, click Add, then click Image, and you've found the Wix Pro Gallery. Keep this simple path in mind, and you'll always know where to go. If the interface gets a visual refresh in the future, the logic stays the same. The Add panel is your content library, and Image is the home for visual elements, including the Pro Gallery. Thanks for watching, and happy building.